Is it safe to put your Pop-It in the oven?
Let's find out. We gotta make one big cookie. Have you ever put a cookie in your Pop-It before? It's getting big. We need more dough. Do we have any more?
Yeah.
We do? Can
Yeah.
I have it?
Sure.
Thank you.
Here you go.
Thank you. I'll finish this before you open a new one. If you're making this at home, don't go all the way to the edges or else it will overlap in your oven and then your oven might get damaged. Done. Time to go in the oven. Mom, can you put it in for me?
Sure.
20 minutes later. It's huge! Do you think it's gonna be one big cookie when I flip it? Ooh, it's so warm. Let's try a slice. Look, you can pop it. Pop, 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 pop. So good. Until next time. Bye-bye.